Hi guys, this is Short. In today's video we are going to check out how is it going with the DIY detail rinseless wash and cleaning carpets in the car. I'm going to use it on one of the carpeted seats, and also I'm going to use it actually on the parcel shelf, and we will see if it will remove the dirt from those as well. Let's roll.
Got the neighbors sitting knocking on the floor. Got the neighbors sitting knocking. Got the neighbors sitting
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was it. It removed the dirt nicely from the seat and also from the parcel shelf. About the seat, you better be careful because it might, well, depending on the type of textile and the color or paint or whatever used, it might remove a little. I don't know if it did in this particular occasion or on this particular occasion, because what I can see is that the seat is clean. Before it was dirty, but the water had a little bit of a grayish color, so not the standard like brown dirt that normally comes out of the seats. It has a bit of like a gray color, so I would say it might reacted a little bit with the textile, but it's not visible with my own eye, so I'm not sure. But you know, just be careful. Obviously it's not necessary for this purpose. What I forgot to mention was that I used 1 to 256 dilution for this purpose, and on the parcel shelf it could remove the dirt nicely. There are some lines and spots on it, but it's not the fault of the product, it's the fault of my technique, because it was very difficult to hold. I didn't want to use it in the car because it's very hot outside. I wanted to use it in the garage under the AC, just to have a better condition. And yeah, I needed to have some help to hold it, and of course it wanted to keep closing, and I needed to ask one of my children to come and help. So yeah, that's why the end result is not 100%, but as I said, the product worked fine. It was rather the issue with my technique. Anywho, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.